What if I told you this truck helped build America before highways, touchscreens, and horsepower wars existed? And today, the 1954 GMC 105 window still commands more respect standing still than most modern trucks ever will. Stay with me, because this legend's story is deeper than steel and louder than its engine. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel, because today we're stepping back into a time when trucks weren't just tools, they were statements. When steel was thick, lines were honest, and every mile left a memory etched into metal. Picture the year 1954. America is booming, highways are stretching across the country, and work begins before sunrise. Rolling into that moment is the 1954 GMC 105 window, a truck that doesn't just represent transportation, but pride, craftsmanship, and the backbone of a generation. This is not just a classic pickup, this is rolling history, and every curve, every bolt, every reflection of light off that body tells a story that modern trucks can only dream of telling. The first thing that hits you is the stance. The 1954 GMC 100 sits with quiet confidence, neither aggressive nor timid, but perfectly balanced. The 5-window cab is the crown jewel, an option that transformed the driving experience by flooding the interior with light and visibility. Those 2 extra rear corner windows weren't just glass, they were innovation. Designed for farmers, builders, and drivers who needed awareness of everything around them. Today, they turn this truck into a highly sought-after icon, instantly recognizable and endlessly admired. Walk around it slowly and you'll notice how the proportions feel almost architectural, like the truck was designed by someone who understood symmetry, function, and beauty in equal measure. The front end is pure GMC authority. That bold grille with its horizontal bars speaks a language of strength without shouting. The emblem sits proudly, reminding you that GMC wasn't just building trucks, they were engineering workhorses meant to outlast generations. The headlights are perfectly round, framed in metal that feels solid and deliberate, not decorative for decoration's sake. There's a seriousness here, a sense that this truck was born ready to work hard and keep going long after the day was done. Even standing still, it feels capable, dependable, and honest. Slide your gaze along the body and the paint becomes its own story. Whether finished in a deep factory, correct tone, or a meticulously chosen restoration color, the panels reflect light like polished stone. You can almost see the hours spent sanding, aligning, perfecting every surface until it looks better than it ever did rolling off the line in the 50s. The bed is straight and purposeful, designed to haul lumber, equipment, or whatever the day demanded, yet today it carries something far more valuable: nostalgia. The wooden bed slats, if equipped, bring warmth and texture, blending natural materials with heavy steel in a way modern trucks rarely attempt. Step inside the cab and you're transported instantly. The interior of the 1954 GMC 105 window is simple, but that simplicity is its luxury. The bench seat stretches wide, inviting you to slide in and imagine a long drive with the windows down and the engine humming steadily ahead. The dash is metal, painted to match or complement the exterior, with gauges that are clear, legible, and refreshingly honest. No screens, no distractions, just the essentials laid out in front of you. The steering wheel is large, commanding, and thin-rimmed, reminding you that driving used to be a physical, connected experience. Those 5 windows change everything inside the cab. Light pours in from every angle, creating an open, airy feeling that makes the truck feel larger than it is. You can imagine the sun rising behind you, illuminating the interior as you head toward a long day of work, or the golden glow of evening as you drive home, tired but satisfied. This was a truck built for real life, and it shows in every thoughtful detail. Under the hood is where the soul of this machine truly lives. The 1954 GMC 100 typically came equipped with a robust inline 6 engine, known for its torque, reliability, and smooth delivery of power. This wasn't about speed or flash, it was about consistency. Turn the key, and that engine comes to life with a sound that's deep, mechanical, and reassuring. You can hear the valves, feel the vibrations, sense the raw honesty of an engine built to run day after day without complaint. It's the kind of power plant that earns trust, the kind that makes you believe it will get you home no matter what. Driving this truck is an experience that modern vehicles can't replicate. There's weight in the steering, feedback through the wheel, and a connection between driver and road that feels almost intimate. Every shift, every throttle input, every bump in the road reminds you that you're operating a machine, not just riding in one. And that's the magic. The 1954 GMC 105 window doesn't isolate you from the journey, it invites you into it. What makes this truck truly special is the emotion it carries. This is the kind of vehicle that sparks conversations at gas stations and car shows. Older folks smile and tell stories about the one their father or grandfather owned. Younger enthusiasts stare in admiration, drawn to a time they never lived but somehow feel connected to. It bridges generations effortlessly, uniting people through shared appreciation for craftsmanship and authenticity. Restored examples showcase what happens when passion meets patience. Every nut and bolt carefully selected, every detail respected. Custom builds, on the other hand, show how versatile this platform is, blending classic lines with modern upgrades while maintaining its soul. No matter the approach, the 1904 GMC 105 window commands respect. It doesn't need to prove anything. Its legacy does that for it. This truck represents an era when vehicles were built to serve, to last, and to mean something. It's a reminder that progress doesn't always mean better, and that sometimes looking back helps us understand what we've lost along the way. The steel, the glass, the engine, the craftsmanship all come together to create something timeless. So when you see a 1954 GMC 105 window rolling down the road, don't just see a classic truck. See the early mornings, the long days, the hard work, and the pride that built this country. See the families who relied on it, the hands that turned its wheel, and the roads it traveled long before interstates and navigation systems existed. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving monument to American grit and design. If you're someone who values authenticity, history, and soul over trends and technology, this truck speaks your language. It whispers stories of the past while still standing strong in the present. And that's why the 1954 GMC 105 window isn't just admired, it's revered. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel, because journeys like this through automotive history deserve to be shared, celebrated, and remembered. And there are many more legends waiting to be explored right here.